Have you ever pondered the true reason behind yawning? Before I reveal if you found these animals cute while yawning, why don't you like and subscribe? Here's the knowledge truth: we yawn when exhausted. Some scientists theorize that yawning reboots the brain, jolting it into heightened alertness. Others suggest it's an evolutionary communication tool among mammals, which explains why it's so contagious. But here's the kicker: despite decades of research, scientists still don't have a definitive answer. So, did you resist the urge to yawn while watching this? Drop a comment below and let's find out who's immune. Subscribe.